Hi everyone, it's Jake Quintin here from First Track Dents, and today I'm giving myself a bit of a challenge. I'm going to be turning this into this. Okay, looking at this wing closely, we can see there's quite a few areas of concern. This actual damage was caused by another bumper backing into this car. So it's caused a large dent here in this area with quite a large crown going on the top. We've got two indentations here right on the wheel arch swage line. And we've also got a low area running through here, which actually goes in a kind of a weird curve shape into this swage line here. And then going down, this has caused the wheel arch to push in here and has actually caused the wing to press out on this section here. It's kinked the inside of the wing. We'll use a mixture of glue pulling and traditional PDR bars on this damage. So the glue pulling initially helps draw the metal out. It doesn't leave any sort of hard lumps or creases, which can if you start going in behind with the big bars. Once the glue pulling's done its part, we'll go in behind with the PDR bars. You'll see the tools that I'm using as I'm carrying out the repair. And then we'll manipulate the metal slowly and surely and get this panel nice and straight again. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with the repair. Okay, so I've started off with the glue pulling. It's drawn some of the areas out, but not as much as I would like. I think the metal's quite tight in certain areas, so with this kind of repair, I think the best thing to do would be to drop the wing liner down and go underneath with the traditional PDR bars. So I'm now going to switch to the medium tip, and I'm going to use it on these low areas here and push these out. So now I'm going to switch to the nylon tip. It's a couple of tight areas in them sharp indentations. Now this has released the tension on this area here, we should be able to tap this back down. Okay, so we're roughly at the halfway stage now. I've roughed the panel out to get the actual basic shape back. There is lots of very tiny ripples and little scars and stuff here and there. This is the bit where we have to be very, very accurate now with our pushes. This is the bit that takes all the time. Okay, time to give it a little polish. Okay, right, so the repair's now finished. It's come out really well, I'm really happy with it. We did try the glue pulling first, which the metal was really tight in some of these deep areas of where these dents were. Didn't really move as much as I would have liked it to have moved. Once I had the stone guard down, I used the Ultra Dent screw-on tip bar. Start with a large rubber tip to rough out all the big sections, all the creases. I then started going in to do the detail work. So I was using the screw-on tips again, going down to the rubber tips, the nylon tips. I used the root beer tip on this one, which was really good because it allowed me to use quite a lot of force in some of the really little tight areas without leaving any sharp markings. After polishing it, we noticed there's some very tiny little scratches and marks, possibly from the impact. But other than that, it's come out really well. So if you like this video and you enjoyed how the PDR process works, then it'd be great to get a thumbs up. And if you want to see and learn how more of these repairs are done using the PDR process, then please subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified as soon as new videos are available. But for now, we'll see you on the next video.